Hello everyone, we are going to see the mode of vibration of air column in open argon pipe. Argon pipe are cylindrical pipe and a cylindrical pipe in which air is there. It is called air column or open argon pipe. In open argon pipe, both ends are open. See here, three argon pipe are here given. A, B and C, all three, both ends are open. And we want to see the phenomena of stationary wave in open argon pipe in the detail. Right? When we blow air in pipe, argon pipe, through air. Right? When we blow air, a plane progressive wave enter in it. This is enter in it, whose equation is given by y is equal to a sine omega t. Right? At the end of this open end, this wave reflected back. When it's reflected back, equation of reflected wave is given by formula. In this C, if it is y1, then it is given by y2 is equal to a sine 2 pi t by capital T plus x by lambda. This is equation number 2. Second equation. So this is incident wave. Then reflected wave is here. See, it is movement reflected with these equations. This is the reflected wave. See, this is the incident wave, reflected wave. Both are identical way, traveling in opposite direction, and here in this condition suffers no phase change. No phase change here in this case. Right? When it suffers no phase change here in this case, then see very carefully this whole scenario. This wave combined by principle of superposition. Superposition, that is y is equal to y1 plus y2. Equation 3. And by this equation of resultant wave is given by formula. This is y is equal to 2a cos 2 pi x by lambda sine 2 pi t by t. Equation 4. This is pure sine wave. Sine wave, sine omega t, 2 pi t is 2 pi capital T is equal to omega. We know omega t it is. So amplitude is capital A is equal to 2a cos 2 pi x by lambda. So see, for maximum displacement y, A should be maximum. If A should be maximum, in that variable factor is this only. For maximum displacement, cos 2 pi x by lambda is maximum. Should be maximum, must be maximum. And this maximum value is plus minus 1. Value up. Right? So see here. See in this diagram, in open air column, if x is equal to L, L is the length of argon pipe. Right? If length is In that condition, we may write, since x is equal to L in the diagram, then cos 2 pi L by lambda must be cos m pi, because where m is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi is minus 1, same like that. These values are. So first of all, in the beginning is the maximum. So 0 cannot be taken here. So m will begin from A. This is the difference between mathematics and physics. So this shows that 2 pi L by lambda is equal to m pi. When we solve for lambda, it is just only 2L by m. We can write, this is a condition of maximum. It is called equation number 6. Right? Because see here in the formula, pi is cancelled by pi in this. So this is called condition of maximum amplitude. Or if maximum amplitude, then displacement will be maximum. Right? Now see very carefully in this case. Under case 1. If m is equal to 1, then this wavelength is called lambda 1 is equal to 2L. Right? Lambda is equal to 2L can be obtained by equation number first diagram A. Focus this diagram carefully. In this one diagram, we blow air inside that, then this wave produces incident wave, as a result reflected wave, both combine and form a resultant wave. So this stationary wave is formed, resultant wave is formed within the air column, which is equal to, this length is equal to the half of wavelength, lambda 1 by 2 is only here, right? Lambda 1 by 2, and it is called first mode of vibration. First mode of vibration, in which the wave which it produces, whose wavelength is twice of the length of it. It is represented by equation number 7. Since frequency nu is given by formula velocity by wavelength, then here this frequency in the first mode of vibration is known as fundamental frequency. This is denoted by nu. It is speed of stationary wave by lambda 1, and it is v by 2L. Equation 8. Now see the second. When we blow air with little more force, then incident wave, plane progressive wave diagram changes, and it's formed like this. Incident wave. See, incident wave traveling in this side. This is not actual part of that. This is incident wave. Then a reflected wave traveled in this side. Incident wave, reflected wave. In that condition, the length of air column becomes, this is half wave, quarter wave becomes total wave. one wavelength, lambda by 2. So in that condition, wavelength becomes half equal to that when we blow air in it. So this is called the second, this is fundamental tone or first overtone. It is second. It is known as. So for the second overtone, value of m is equal to 2. Then see in the fundamental formula, the condition it is lambda 2 becomes 2L by 2 is equal to L. And it can be clearly seen by the diagram. Clear it is in it. It is equal to the length. Right? In that condition, frequency nu 2 becomes V by lambda 2 is here, and we may write it is lambda 2 is equal to L. It can be written as 2V by 2L also. It is equation number 9 we may write. Now see for case third, that is known as third mode of vibration. That is, third mode of vibration is under when m is equal to 3. Then wavelength lambda 3 becomes, it is 2L by m, so 2L by 3. Then frequency, third frequency becomes V by lambda 3, so it's become 3V by 2L. And that can be seen in the diagram. Now see here in this diagram, the incident wave is like this and the reflected wave is like that. So this is one complete wave, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So it's become 1.5. Then length becomes 3 by 2 lambda 3. See it is. This is called third. So see here it is third frequency is nu 3 is 3V by 2L. At second mode 2V by 2L. And in first mode V by 2L. When we compare the frequencies, nu 1 is to nu 2 is to nu 3 and so on, we get in the first case V by 2L ratio 2V by 2L ratio 3V by 2L ratio and so on 4V by 2L. So we may obtain 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3 ratio and so on. This is nu 1 ratio, nu 2 ratio, nu 3. It means fundamental frequency, first frequency, or we may say that fundamental frequency are first mode of vibration, second mode of vibration, third mode of vibration. Yeah, fundamental tone, first overtone, second overtone, frequency double, triple. So we may say that by equation 11. So this shows that open organ pipe produces 1, 3, 5 odd harmonics, 2, next 4, 6 even harmonics. So even and odd both harmonics is produced by open organ pipe. And that can be clearly seen here in the diagram by which the harmonics were produced. First harmonics, second harmonics, third harmonics are present. So this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.